Hi everyone, got a Renault Trafic here which I'll be replacing the glow plugs on, and if this video does help you guys, so please do like, comment and also do subscribe to my channel. And here we go. So just taking the coolant cap off here just in case if there's any pressure built up in the bottle. So here you can see the connector for the glow plug number 1, 2, 3, and you can just see the fourth one just there. So here just pulled off the plug on the first glow plug. The plug shouldn't be really that tight, it should just come off quite easy. And then just use a mirror just to see where the glow plug is, so I could guide my socket onto it. So once the socket is slightly on there, you can just wiggle it about just to make sure the socket is in place. And then once you know it's in place, just use a ratchet. So once it's loose, you can use a long nose pliers to pull the plug out, or as luckily for me, I've got long fingers, so the first one was pretty easy. Just pull it out, and here just make sure the new one is correct. So the first one, you can just about see the hole where you need to push the glow plug in, but if you can't see, you can use a mirror as well just to help you locate the hole. And once it's in, you can use a socket to push it all the way in and then screw it by hand. You don't have to go mad here tightening it up, just nip it up slightly and you should be fine. And then push the plug back on, and that's number 1 done. And here just take the dipstick out just so you can get the plug off the glow plug number 2. Once that's off, you can put the dipstick back in, as it won't get in the way of taking the glow plug out. And here you can see the tip is burnt out on the glow plug. So here I'm just using a mirror to help me guide the glow plug into the hole. And once it's in, you can just push it in and it should just slide in. And again, just pull the dipstick out so you can put the plug back onto the glow plug. So once the plug's on, push the dipstick back in, and that's number 2 done. Moving on to number 3. And I think you can just about see the glow plug to put the socket on. I don't think you need a mirror for this one. So number 3 here was a little bit tight coming out, so I just worked it back and forth, and eventually it was loose and it came out. The video might be getting a little bit boring here, but I just wanted to show exactly how long it took for that number 3 glow plug to come out. So again, I'm just working it back and forth, and eventually it came loose. So that's number 3 out, and you can just see the rust just there, which is making it difficult to take it out. And here goes the new one back into place, just using a mirror again just to guide the glow plug back into the hole. And that's number 3 done. Plug back on, and moving on to number 4. So here was me thinking 3 done, 1 more to go, happy days, until I came to this 4th glow plug, which did not want to budge. And as you can see here, it does not want to move, and is pretty badly seized into place. So I did tell my friend who this van belongs to that this might break, and then he did say, look, we'll leave it for now, and then we'll sort it out another time, just in case it breaks and it causes more problems. But stubborn me didn't want to stop, so I carried on for another couple of hours, working it in and out, spraying WD-40 in there. Eventually it came loose and I pulled it out. I didn't want to show the whole video because it was pretty boring. I was there for like nearly 2 hours trying to take it out, and as you can see here, I've got the new one going back into place. And that's number 4 done as well. And here you go, the new glow plugs are in place. Number 1 just there, number 2, you can see just number 3 on, there you go, and the final one, number 4. And then put everything back into reverse order, and that's glow plugs done on a Renault Trafic. So if you've stayed until the end of the video, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe, as it gives me motivation to create content like this. So once again, thank you for watching.